Here I've got MOTOROLA Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to unlock developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to System and click on About Phone. Now at the bottom of the list you will notice build number, so you have to tap on it 7 times. And actually you are already a developer, so if you are not, just hit it 7 times, you will unlock those developer options. And now if you will open advanced details, just click on developer options, and from now on you can smoothly use all the features. So if you would like to, for example, show dialog every time an app crashes, just click here and now it will be active. Obviously you can turn off always show crash dialog the same way, smoothly by tapping on the indicator. You can also force MSA, you can force GPU rendering, show hardware layers updates, just personalize your phone in many ways. And then if you'd like to turn developer options off, just tap on this switcher. And as you can see, they are no longer active, so you will not be able to use them. And as you can see, they disappeared from the list. So if you would like to use them again, you will have to perform the same trick one more time. So as you can see, you have to click on it 7 times. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.